Hi everybody, how are you all? So this is a quick IGTV video for Azerbaijan specially. So since yesterday, when we started posting pictures and stories and videos about our travel to Azerbaijan, we were flooded with messages everywhere on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp. So we did reply to many about the place, where is this located, and all. But we are still getting those messages. So we thought, why not make a IGTV video and post it? So here it is. What is it?
Okay, guys, Azerbaijan is basically located in Eurasia. So it's got a border to Europe as well as to Asia around the Caspian Sea.
Yeah.
Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan, and we are in Gabala at the moment. It's like a 3 hour drive from Baku, almost like a Lonavala from Mumbai. It's amazing. It's an upcoming country. A lot of Indian tourists have already started coming in here, and I'm sure the next 3 4 years it would be blooming with a lot of Indian tourists.
Yes.
The local language here is Azeri. English is a very big problem in Azerbaijan, so we've been lucky enough that we have a driver and a guide kind of a thing together who knows about 30% of English, who at least understands what we speak. Because everything that's written around here and the locals, it's all Azeri.
Everything in local
So
language.
you would always prefer having a guide or someone who would
You
know
need
English.
to have, yes.
So we would always recommend you to keep a person with you or a driver if you're like 2 or 4 people traveling who would know the language and could also tell you about the places. In Gabala, mainly there's like a very beautiful serene lake. I'm sure we posted the photos and the videos about that. We've been very lucky to be here during the time of the fall, and
This is our first fall
yeah,
together.
and then there is a cable car. Unfortunately, we couldn't get there because of the fog. Like you've seen,
The stories.
the cable car wasn't functioning as well. Unfortunately, it's the last night here, so tomorrow morning we got to rush to Baku and check in Fairmont.
Yeah. Oh, that was a secret though.
Yeah. So
He's revealed it. Yeah, we're staying in Fairmont, and we're just waiting to get back to Baku and check into Fairmont. It is one of the best hotels of Azerbaijan.
I think it's the best.
Yeah, it's the best. It's the best hotel of Azerbaijan, and it's one of the flame towers. So Baku, if you put Baku on internet, you will see the iconic
Flame towers.
picture of flame towers, and Fairmont is one of those flame towers. It is inside that flame towers.
And we are by the Caspian Sea, and
Yeah, I'm very excited about that. So yes, so this is all about Azerbaijan.
the local currency is called Mannat. It's about 1.7 Mannats against $1, but it's not that expensive though. A meal would cost you anywhere in between 12 and 14 Mannats.
If you're having it in fine dine, so like today we went for a fine dine lunch, we paid around
20 Mannats.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
20 minutes, and we had a whole proper meal. So yes, in case if you're not doing
And
a
then there
fine
are a
dine,
lot of supermarkets around for you to pick up some vegetables or
yes,
breads. Or,
fruits.
amazing fruits.
Amazing fruits.
And
And vegetarian is not a problem at all. No, it's not.
yes.
Easily available. Of course, Azeris, the Azerbaijan, the locals, they eat a lot of meat.
In fact, they only eat meat all day long,
Yeah.
but otherwise,
so
if
when
you-
they, when you say vegetarian, they have a smile on their face, as in why. But then yes, vegetarian is not a problem at all. We have been loving the food here and enjoying all the meals.
So we had a pizza last night, and it was
Today we
reasonably
had-
good.
yeah.
We had soup, we had lentil soup, we had bread basket, we had French fries,
And we had
and
roti
a sandwich.
sabzi, yeah, and a sandwich. So yes, it was all good. So yeah, this is all about Azerbaijan. In case if you have any more questions and how to plan about this, oh, how do we get here?
So we have a direct flight from Delhi, and if you're from Mumbai, you would fly Air Arabia, which goes to Sharjah, and there's barely any layover. So you get off the flight, and you're at gate number 5. Sorry. And you're right into the flight to Baku,
Yeah,
which is about 2 hours 55 minutes.
From Sharjah to
Baku, and
from-
Bombay Sharjah is about 2 hours and 55 minutes. Or
again. So yeah, 6 hours of flight.
It's not a very tiring flight, and it's not as tired as you'd be going to anywhere in US or Canada, and probably even Europe, wherein
Europe.
you're flying for about 7 hours or 9 hours to London. something of that sort, then it's quite a reasonable one, and I think
Yeah, we enjoyed our flight.
we
had
slept well.
yeah, we slept well for a change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So signing off.
So this is all about Azerbaijan, and we are just going for a walk. It's 5:30 in the evening, and we're just leaving for a
And the
walk.
temperatures are dropping severely.
Yeah, it's very cold right now. It's around 3 degrees. Might be at night.
And there's
It's
quite a strong probability of a snowfall
tonight as
well.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Our hotel is centrally heated, so we are
Our
fine
hotel
like
is
that.
amazing in Gabala. You can check the stories for more details.
Bye,
Bye,
ciao.
guys.